Welcome aboard the Kitten Space Station.
Welcome back, Catstronauts. Sorry, we're in a different area. We started recording, and the program stopped working, so...
Yeah. Unknown if it really affected the other one, or if Linda's computer is just slow as balls.
But yeah.
A small key.
A small key! It opens Linda's birthday present, because today is Linda's birthday!
This lovely blue chest. Oh, look!
I got a piece of heart!
You've got a heart piece for your birthday.
Oh my god, happy birthday to me!
Look at that, you finally got a heart.
Whoa!
Ah, shit, it's stuck.
Good job.
Casually gets it stuck. Hello, goodbye.
Hello, goodbye!
Hello, my baby. Hello, my honey.
Hello, my right time gal.
Ow.
Oh no.
I'm like over time just losing more and more of my voice.
Yep. The one like side of my throat is so sore.
Unfortunate. Mine's like right down the middle.
I think I've been like on the verge of catching a cold for a good month now. Because my throat will start to get really sore, but then nothing else happens and it goes away.
Yeah, I get those. Link, lonk, linkity-link.
Link, Luke, Lonk.
So, all you really missed was we chased some children, got a lantern from a guy that has a nest in his head. That's it.
Yeah. I guess you just rolled past into the next area.
Oh, bye!
Perfect.
Bye-bye now. Bye-bye. Ow,
They
dickheads.
have blue tongues.
Like Chow Chows.
What?
Chow Chows, I mean, they technically have blue tongues, but they're like black.
Well, then they're black tongues. God, Linda.
Yeah, but it's like with blue color for cats and dogs. They're actually like gray. Oh my god, that bird is terrifying.
On another time, Burb.
On the another time.
On another time, Burb.
Whoa.
Woo! I wonder if this is what's left of the Deco tree in this world.
Oh.
Because, like, I always try and kind of figure out the timeline. And there's some things that make sense and are clearly the same. Like, the Death Mountain in this place is kind of in the same-ish location as it is in Ocarina. Duck! I think I just sliced the monkey.
Rip. Oh my god, that face!
There we go. Okay, I was like,
Mode.
so depressed.
I couldn't.
If you hadn't come along, gee, me and that monkey would have been eaten, probably. Gotten eaten. She's actually a pretty nice gal, that monkey. She tried to protect me, so we got captured together. I want to date her. Lonk, you're not going to mention this to my dad, are you?
You know that I'm kind of in love with a monkey.
He's always telling me to never, ever get into bestiality, because it's dangerous. So you really can't tell him. Really? You have to promise!
I promise nothing.
I like that he's like, you have to promise, and then just runs away.
Lonk! Father figure! My son told me Tallow disappeared into the woods and had not returned. I came as soon as I heard, but it looks like you have brought him home already. I apologize,
job.
such a task should not fall to you. Tell me, have you noticed how strange these woods seem lately? I feel uneasy about what may lie in wait. Anyway, Lonk, tomorrow is finally the day. You will be departing for Hyrule. I think it is a good thing I have given this task to you. I am far too lazy to do it myself. Hyrule is so far.
Also, you have very pointy ears, and don't seem to be the same race as me. But nobody points that out.
It's true. Huh. That's odd. How have I not noticed this? How many times have I played this game?
I think it's good. I've sent you to go to Hyrule, because then you can be with your people.
Hey, Lunk.
Hey.
Just lean over.
What's happening?
So, what's happening to you, Gekko, Lunk? So how about we finish up early today, bud?
But
Sure. Guess how many goat he has now?
20.
Yes.
Wow, I did it!
He bred an extra 10 goat.
And they're already full grown.
Yes.
Ipuna!
Oh. Sorry, I'm so used to
You
Breath
got
of the Wild.
on the wrong side.
I'm so used to Breath of the Wild, where it's just like you run up and you jump on your horsey.
I'm disappointed in the game. Supposed to get on the left side of the horse.
Bah!
Or wait. Yeah. Yeah.
Does it matter?
Yes.
Why?
Because it's just the way you're supposed to do it.
Well, then it doesn't matter now, does it?
It does!
Nice. Turn slightly. Good. Whoop. Whoop. Incorrect. Whoop. 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 The roof. The roof. The roof is on fire. On the one hand, I feel like I need caffeine and sugar. On the other hand, I think I should stay very far away from these things.
Probably. Put him in the barn! Goat in! Goat in! Goat in! Goat in! Goat in!
Goal!
Goat!
Go to the... No, not the fence. What are you think you're doing?
I squeeze you.
There we go. Good goat. No, bad goat, bad goat.
Here. Here. Here.
He didn't do it that time. I'm trying.
Just run into the goat. It's
Yeah.
fine.
They'll move. They'll get the hint.
Hiya! Here! Here!
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Eh.
Yeah.
Somehow there's a hair in my mouth.
Ew. It's probably Rikers.
Snow fur.
Goat in!
I can't get it out.
Do you need to take a second?
Okay.
Good job.
As soon as I say I can't get it out. Bloop. Come on, this takes so long. Go, in. There we go. I wonder what would happen if I just jumped over the fence and was like, bye.
You'd probably have to start from the beginning.
Oh god. Oh god, no. There's the last two little buggers.
Kill them.
It has taken me 2.5 minutes to get to this point in my life. Ha! I'm just holding a sword. Ha! Yay. Goat complete. Ooh, bow. But you could heard that was 30 seconds faster than you, was it? Well, I'm an embarrassment of the day. How would you handle an debate, please? Okay. Help. And help. To the mayor's place.
To the mayor.
To the mayor. Jesus Christ. Superstar. Ah, look who it is. Cutie Q.
Hello.
Ah!
She has 3 X's on her shirt. XXX. You know what
For
she wants.
kiss, kiss, kiss. And bang, bang, bang.
Yes, for kiss, kiss, kiss on my vagina.
Whoa, done hurting for the day, Link. Well, nice work. That's gonna have a lot of regrets later.
Yup.
The royal gift Russell told you about is ready, so you should get ready for your trip to Hyrule Castle. Now the royal family has requested this especially, so it's really special. It'd be bad if the representative of Odon were to be late for such an occasion. You get me, lad?
The path before you is long one, my sweet horse, but please bear long safety among it. Safely, safe. Wait, what's this?
She's dying.
What's happened? She's injured, isn't she? Look, how could you? You were pushing Epona too hard again. I bet you hurt her leg jumping fences, didn't you?
Well, I have to jump a fence to leave the fucking ranch.
Yup.
No, oh, it's gone.
Oh, Jesus.
How can you be so easy on him? You're the mayor. You should start acting like one.
Whoa.
You poor thing.
He doesn't even open his
I
eyes.
know, because his eyes are always closed.
It'll be alright, Epona. I'll take you to the forest spring right now. Once we soothe you in the spirit spring, you'll feel better in no time.
Both of them.
Oh, wait! Ilya! Why without Epona? The gift won't get delivered in time.
Cough, cough.
Oh, this won't do.
Can I leave now?
Just use a different horse.
It's like it's the only horse they have in the entire village.
Ride a goat.
Ride a goat. Yes. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. My god, that voice actually made me like slightly lightheaded.
Oh god.
Do this 'cause I feel like it's hitting me.
Children.
Hello, Death Child. I don't remember what you sounded like. Maybe it's just me. But those guys don't normally let people through. I'm Locke. You think we can go see Lee together? That's right. This is how I talk. I remember now. Where? God damn it, wrong version. Excuse me, children. You're in my way. I was like, why did it suddenly go silent? And I look over. You're texting.
Sorry. I kind of zoned out.
Oh, you can go?
Way to...
Oh.
Yeah, way to spoil everything by telling your dad. Nice job.
Yeah, thanks a lot. We got scolded by our dad something awful. I thought I was never gonna hear it.
I bet you're trying to see Ilya, aren't you? Well, there's no way I'm gonna let you pass to see your girlfriend who's way too old for you. Oh, hey, neat! Lonk! Let me borrow that wooden sword! If I'd had that wooden sword yesterday, I could have handled it all alone. Definitely.
Lies. Lies and slander.
Come on, let me borrow that wooden sword right now!
Whatever, just get the fuck out of my way.
Whoa, yes! I'll show him.
Accidentally skipped text.
Yep.
Look at that. They're out of our way.
Look,
Oh. It's you.
Max. Those guys are always teasing me. Probably because I talk like this. What's the fun about swinging something like that around anyway? I hate it. It's scary. But when I grow up, I'll be just like you, Locke.
Well, then you have to learn to swing one of those things around, you stupid child.
I don't want to learn about swords or anything, but could you teach me how to ride a horse sometime? Can you? You have to promise.
Run.
Every time you have to promise something, they just run away without your answer.
Yeah. That's because Link never speaks.
Yeah! What if you just screamed yat at them?
Instead of a real answer, just...
Yeah! Bashes them with a wooden sword.
Do.
It's so pretty.
This is the wrong side. Fuck it, fuck.
A hole!
Booty. Link, are you wearing a kilt? Or a skirt? Or a dress?
I think he has pants underneath.
I know, but he looks like he's wearing
It's
a
a
dress.
tunic!
It's a dress!
It's a dress.
It's a tunic.
Dress.
Or just like some random cloth tied around his waist.
I had no idea. I hadn't heard the details about Taro's capture, but Colin...
God, every time I speak.
Her mouth was still moving. Oh, ow.
Well,
Oh. What the fuck, you stupid horse? So you still prefer your master over me, huh, Epona?
She's trying to steal your horse.
yeah.
Don't worry about your horse, Locke. It's fine. I gave it a blowjob.
Whoa.
Fortunately, it looks like the injury isn't too serious. You two can go on together. But Locke,
Love me!
can you at least promise me this? No
No!
other vaginas. No matter what happens on your journey, don't try and do anything out of your league. Please?
Like bang the princess.
Just come home safely.
I thought his ears were moving
So
there.
did I, and I was like,
That's a feature.
what? Oh, okay.
Boars!
Ah! Oh no! A giant pig! It's just like all the other men I've met. I've been stabbed with an arrow. Oh, that's my skull.
Is he
Child.
checking her pulse? Like,
This child and this child. Do we need this one? I don't think so.
do we need the really pretty one?
I don't know if he'd fit in with us. Boom.
Water.
Wait till you see this. Yeah. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, I didn't do the thing they thought I was gonna do. Oh well.
He summoned pixels.
My controller.
Is this how Link gets turned into a wolf?
No. As you can see, he's waking up. And is still very human. Well, yeah, Hylian.
Yes.
Gasp.
Where's the horse?
The
horse just disappeared through this.
Epona was like, bye!
Peace out, bitches!
I don't get paid enough to deal with boars, sorry. Shit, can't put it in there. Shit.
He glow.
No, that glow.
Oh. That was unexpected. Okay. Instead of you grabbing the door grabs you.
In Russia, door grabs you.
In Hyrule.
The chief. My eye!
He's too beautiful!
Even his hands. God. Hehe. Hehehe.
Your Triforce. Whoa. Birthmark. Oh. He wolfed.
Gotta go wolf.
I am a wolf.
I am a wolf.
I am a wolf. I am a wolf.
The thing's just like,
Oh.
slightly less pretty. I'll take it.
It's a darker color like me now.
My babe. My babe.
That was such a big sneeze.
And on that note.
Bye!